It's okay, what's the name? It's okay. Freddy can we bury. Freddy no he. Freddy winning, huh? Freddy. Look at Lily. Okay, we bury. Isha.
What is that, my?
Papa Freddy mo worry. Freddy wo bury. Yeah, you pony. Oh, say for the any papa. Yeah, it's a tour mana. It's a tour mana. You give me. It's a tour ya gake by ya wa mi o say oh no. Wa mi efua papa.
I'm with Freddy original mo.
Oh mo worry. We are mi o. Oh my papa. If you roll it, you yere papa. Na ya gi.
That's a fool. I'm going to do what I do, Tana.
Just step out so we can get something for you to eat.
Okay. Don't ever touch my man like that again. What is this? And who's she? Fred, who's she?
Honey, okay, I'm sorry, you know, she's my friend. She used to be my classmate way back in school. So, you know, these local people, that's how they hug people. Yeah, that's it. So there's no big deal about that.
You mean she's your classmate? She used to be your classmate?
She used to be my classmate.
And she just came and hugged you like that?
Yeah, because she hasn't seen me for some time. I just came into town. So that's how they behave.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Don't you ever, you stinking village girl, don't you ever touch my man like that again. And this?
I don't know. Probably she must have been surprised, like the way you acted. I don't know.
Whatever. I don't just want anyone to come close to my man. Yeah.
This is how it
Fred, Eddie Mate Bata.
Papa.
Sayuki wa ya begi ma Sayuki na wa owa ha ona wa saifu wa owa ya fi gbe we ona wa fi pa
man weti en we to e wa ntama e wo ko ikisu fin
yeah, well, okay, fine. It's what we told we here my, you know. We're selling my Yanya or when you book America. We're here, Mudiano to have a book and you bully, one way, or you carol, Kazo Sylvia. You know, get up. So you can be selling our way or severa no be school, my work by the school. If not by all, any I way you want him, what any you know what going to be outside for. But at least all the media, any bit told him, all respond, all make here, all make cool. I work with you, a citizen of America, all the maybe here. There is set to on it, and my way with my gun. Yeah, I said we might have it on our own. I was said, when you made a queen, or wife your wife, your man,
wait a minute, I'm going to move over. Huh? How would I have it? Wait a minute, I'll take it in mind. Ama, already as here. The Nayas in a Maya River. Oh, this one also why you were. I read a money, what was one year. Okay, what's one?
Yes. I come here there. Oh, we have any prefer where your parent would put up parity. Oh, we carry it. I have our way, my way, very only. I ran people that will put on it. I am a person who will tell. So, as an African man,
yeah. Obviously, most are not more better. I'm going to say, I don't
so you can't go beyond your home tied. Let me explain when you told when you hear what I'm trying to defend because the man is bullying. So we'll be bringing him.
I walk on, you know, see a mother see a cake, the other matter. That to see a cake, the worry, baby don't even soon. So, Pano. Selina na kwini me you go you know we get at only ma Fred only ma very well oh we get
you know see man where not be a citizen of America we born be we born at school on my year we not there. Okay, now because of the advice you gave to me, Kevin, where you only pay me, so any year, you know, okay, now since we not be able to on my way, on my year, we're not there. Maybe we are dear Africa, nobody know we're giving it, we might be here, nobody even on you. Oh, you have a year, well, she's not used to this kind of life. I never go now, you don't know, no. But so they are where by both serve breakfast. But so they are where so we are in winner near Roba. We are killing our day in winner. I will back before no castle for only right. Everything I get over where 1 million I don't give America.
Mama, Bebo, where's the inner door with the bomb? I said, yes, a bit. Koja ni meriri o bebo numuri ya sigbe so ma every year na ya fibo lo ga days to no matter the day no e ma je o make no se ban ya do fibo ye so that once you know just that way she's not used to this kind of life and all the way na nia where they ko am any year no na mai no where she's an African lady where up here we go ma where we don't know e wona kill right here when I came. And when I be there, I get by America. Even you know, the Ivana na bio also na you. You wear worry, you get used to her, and she's going to get used to you. Wherever what would be, just relax. Maybe I'm mine. Maybe I'm mine. When the Selena is I want to go to miss where we to go be you out there. Boy, that's the way they also Ubegi baby never boy on you. I really okay. Well, I'm really buying a work in Okomosi. Now, if you want to call Okomosi over in America, just say Mr. Okomosi. That's it. But a thing I wear back when we need Paris, what where Okome Mr. Okomosi, or your country. That's all I want to walk with your love here. Anyway, what's the other done here? Anyway, yeah, what they used to it, just relax, Relax.
I'm hungry.
Honey, I know that, okay? Okay, just relax, Mom is gonna come out with something special. Yeah, African delicacy that you're gonna love, you're gonna eat it, and it's gonna nourish your body system. I'll tell you.
America. Yeah, can't wait.
Oh. This
is what I'm talking
about.
No.
This is what I'm talking about.
Is this what?
Yeah. Food. Afternoon.
Yeah, oh, yes. This is what, that's what I'm talking about, yeah. This is African delicacy. What's that, baby?
Jeez, this stinks. This smells.
No.
How can you expect me to eat this kind of food?
Honey, see, this is African delicacy. This is okay, let me in our local dialect we call it Santana.
Akpu.
Yeah, this is Akpu.
Akpu no.
Yeah, Akpu, that's what I'm explaining to you right now.
Fred.
Akpu. Now, when you eat this...
Take this out of my front. Fred, this stinks. How can you expect me to eat this kind of food? Fred, it's obvious you brought me here to come and kill me. Do you want to poison me, Fred?
No, baby. Why would I poison my own wife?
Then why would you expect me to eat this kind of food?
And this is nice. This is a good food. See, when you
can don't.
Wife.
Don't touch that thing.
America. It's a cooker food.
Do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me?
No.
Do you want to kill me? Do you want to poison me?
We might like it right now. You know what we are. And where or the two are pointing here, that's what she's asking right now.
He poison now.
Fred, if you don't get me fast food, I'm not eating any other thing here. I'm not eating anything. Just go and look for something better and give me to eat, because right now I'm famished. I'm hungry. I need to eat something.
When you eat this is going to last you for 6 hours.
Stop it.
We call it 6 to 6.
Please, I can't. Excuse me, I can't eat this. I can't. Go and get me something else to eat. I can't eat this. You want to kill me, Fred? Fred, you want to kill me? Oh my God, I can't eat this. No way.
America woman who will not have been my dog bar. What were we? Oh, no, huh?
Okay, now I'll tell you. Well, you were disgracing me, you know.
Don't get no boy.
Yes, well, now, Ohwebo, Muri. This lady, she's from America. Okay, they were help prepare. Okay, why will you just take a look at what you brought for us? Take a look at it. Huh? Time, okay, there we are. It stinks. Yeah, that's it. Okay, we are.
Hey, Freddy. Yeah, make it do cook away. Okay, the party America, a coparoni Mahila Webura. Me up America, who really a good animal or we are, who welcome away. How? Yeah, wherever time when I see you take a look at it where we are, and I have you get no day on a sick medicine. I just take it away. Yeah, just take a look at what you brought for my wife. Huh? Damn, I don't like this, man. Hey, your wife, yeah, fine. Okay. Huh? Then, obey the man. A certain copy, man. I know that a book one on your my castle, one there. Yeah, book one any both for the yes, every young Riaguano is talking, okay? But we were not now, but when yeah, all the house now, okay? He has said to the way we're doing one. Very much on the book here. So you are finishing mash on it. There, she's going to park in there, anything Riaguano on me, Yawani. If you know, I stock a fridge. Huh? I will bet you about Freddy. I know I'm going to hire out of your book bear. Who will get about higher for me? Ah, Freddy. I walk book when I eat, you can eat this, but for me, I'm a walk from the walk. Freddy, what of your man? We can't this shit, okay? Because all we are. Man, it stinks, huh? Freddy. Yeah, only Freddy. What's it? If you want to eat, you go ahead and eat. What's it? ọgbọ̀n tún balọ̀ wẹ́gbẹ́ mẹ́sọ̀kì wẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀hún àtẹ̀bọ̀ mẹ́ ìnáwó yàrá wẹ́ fọ́kí o ẹ̀nà náà dẹ̀mí tún balọ̀ wẹ́sẹ̀ fẹ́ẹ̀dì yẹn bọ́ kọ́kọ́ wẹ́yẹ bọ́ àti ìbẹ̀wọ̀ pálá rúwọ́ wẹ́yẹ bọ́ àti ìbẹ̀wọ̀ pálá nínú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀bọ̀ níyọ́. Nánà wà wọ́ wùyà náà ní àdìyọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìwà kẹ́yà ṣe wò wá náà. But my name, you hear about I don't be with them. Where way?
Okay, thank you. We want you. You have to get from anywhere. Bound to the yeah, Jack Mama. Yeah, after the rest of what says a day. It's no matter. Yes, go. What is good? Is good. What is good? I just do. I go to like body. I am what.
Baba, e go me wa. O mo le question wa. E go me ko wo. Ni abo da yin.
Me ask you because I'm not in your money. We you my wedding. Okay, buy your money. Oh, that carry you buy it. You will go up. I do have you work okay. Let me get back but I have less.
Baba, what mo to?
What it ada yi?
I am less.
Oh, you okay. Babaka, ate babaka. O sa ku do bolu mo. Ile ya le ade agbara we ogun na le we pon pe awe bi. Ya nge pon pa ni. O be awo sa yoki. That's my daughters. That's my daughters.
What God has put together, no man can put asunder. Ayaga jimuda, top when I.
Why we pray this every only? Hey, you come on, my friend. Hey, you come on, hey, you come on, hey, you come on, my friend. Hey, come on. Mama, Mama. Mama, I'm afraid you will make me.
Oh, she will worry about her idea. My name is Sam. My name will be friendly no more.
Mama, you are going to hear me. Mama, I'm going to hear me. I'm going to be so sad.
Sam. You don't know more to come. I would not tell how could you make a I don't want that. You're Freddy, you make a living. He is the Baba. Where is the Baba? The Baba. I know, who am I back there? Only out by us. Oh, no. You buy a little walk about you can't go where it's not door, it's okay over the idea. Well, one family, oh, now, oh, by the not we're going to power, the good to know how well. What do I know? Freddie, but I don't know. You for 1 month to marry. You for 1 month to marry. Now, when the power, the way of it. The friend is young, huh? You have to go down to Babylon. You are divine. Wouldn't me young one. What by me?
Freddie, you make me, Baba. Freddie, you
are free. It's ready. And to not do or do anything. You are here. You need Babylon.
Freddy no go man. Okpe ni wewo. Eya te pata. Uga ye wewo. Uga to le pere. Uga renu do kumele lepe. Fred wana bebe ya. Umagi jere rotani magba. Ebi ya ni ulwe. We mangi sete jere.
Where's Salah?
Hello.
Ah. Hi. Where's that?
How can I help you?
You are like you.
So?
Like you. You are like you.
Oh, you like me? Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. You want to know. You want to know. Where's that? My way. My fiancé. Friends. When you're
Push me. Oh, don't do that. Oh, what do you want?
Me are you friends? My way, my say friends.
You want to be my friend?
Kabo.
No, I don't want.
Gay, and go back and picture now. You want well level now. You have fair picture snap. Who want to go? Who want buy ya? Who want ya? Snap picture 551.
You will take the pictures.
And I can buy my well ya. Do go look snap him. Where can look at do go la row. Him where can a row. You can not say row. Him wherever picture of God.
What are you saying?
Bush village. Picture 551.
Oh, you will take me to a bush.
And
bush
and
take me pictures.
I
like that. I like that. Don't touch me. So we can be friends. We can be friends.
I'll say.
Don't touch me.
Not before.
Don't touch me. You take me around. You take me around the village and snap the pictures.
Wait toilet.
Good pictures.
Toilet not where.
No, not toilets. You know.
Fine place.
Natural places.
Yeah.
Fine. You're welcome.
Oh, not say.
You're welcome.
No,
Don't touch me.
Call.
Can you take me around? Can you take me around now? Like now?
Eh?
Can you take me around the village now?
See
animals, bush.
We use animal who beg.
Yeah, animals.
Animal.
And goats. I want to see them.
Okay. We use Sakpawan of Pomini. That was move again. So, Sakpawan, and we goat, meh. And now.
Let's go. After no. After you.
Okay, make go down.
No.
Lare mashireo. Lare.
She's funny.
So the only constant in life is change. But you have to come up with me. We where a back now. You understand? Okay, now you check that paper out. We check it out. Oh, I mean, you know, that's my ego feel. That's the woman who okay, you check the skin. The skin on there, so you cannot use our skin to compare the guests na me. That's why I do get wrong here. Of course, that's true. I do get wrong.
Fred! $1,000. Hey Fred! Oh no, where do I pay me back? Oh my baby. Oh my.
Well, we can wait to where relationship you are to marry.
Oh Mama.
Where I got to where I'm moving, I can't win a big girl. Okay, now just take a look at yourself. You're still very young. Anyway, you know, I would just advise you, you know, since a friend is no longer available for you, then just step forward and look for another guy.
Fred! Look that way. So far,
Sayuki. well, such is life, you know. I can't do anyhow. We walk away, we go out there. I just take a look at you. Well, yeah, Ghanaian. Well, my baby, I'll just come all the way from America. Then I'll settle for less. That's not possible, man. I don't understand. Why I don't understand. Why then local people now? I don't know how you guys give. I was doing my video because this community, you know, waiting me, I feel somehow, you know. I just look for a plot of land. Let me see. You said you went out?
Yeah, look at this one.
Wow, you snap under the mango tree.
Yeah, I love this one.
This is beautiful.
Yes. And
Okay.
this, look at this.
What?
On that plantain tree.
You mean you snap on a plantain?
Yeah. And this is my favorite.
The photo is funny, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, I like it.
Wow. Okay, this is my little son.
Yeah.
Well, this is what you're gonna show to your mom when you get back to America.
Of course.
Ah, your mom is gonna love this. This is a
gonna
pure adventure.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is adventure.
This is why I actually came here. Me?
Oh.
So it's beautiful.
Oh. Talk of the devil. Your mom. Your mom is calling. Your mom is calling.
I don't want to make a call.
What's up with you? Does your mom call you? Pick up the phone.
No, I can't pick this call. Once I pick this call, now the next thing she's going to tell me is for me to come over. She wants me to come back. She's missing me already. And I don't want to leave you.
Oh, well, in that case, okay. Just ignore the call. Yeah. Just ignore it, okay?
I'm not picking it.
Now, that's good. That's fine. That's fine by me. Whatever you say.
She's been calling me for days and I'm not picking it.
Really?
Yes.
No. Your mom should know that you are with me here in Africa.
She's missing me.
So why don't you want you back? Oh, she's missing you.
Yeah.
You know you're the only daughter.
Mm-hmm.
The only child.
Yeah.
That's good, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, your mom should just stop calling.
I'm tired. This woman, she's too stubborn.
Oh, well, okay. I mean, why don't you just go inside and sit there for... Yes, I can feel some mosquito bite here.
Same with me.
Okay.
You know, I think...
Sayuki, Oseverio. Ah, where were we meeting? Come on, we're getting in here. You got to know we're getting away. No one look we have a. No one look we have a. Wow, what's why you're back? Get to the Freddy. Who Jack Freddy? No, done. Never go. Eh? Let me see. Cool.
I am there. Sawa Selia. Osakba no yakola no. Osaye no se na ni. Magwe.
O ka mi o le Freddy Muri. E Freddy ni o ni gbogbo iten. O se no. Hey! Well, I made the girl. Area you make it. Hey, Papa! Hey! Where must I near? Mama, can we say bonnie? We are big bay. And the good one, Panopana. Then now there's the market where not in another yana. Where I'm new, where I make anywhere. Oh, you look no. Freddy! Okay, look what I say. A Freddy. Okwa zegbe ohe yamu ona yamu ni boku osi mami mbe ni age eni boku yamu ya ni oye tete
Soken. Ameti ani. Uta lo sene. Ebi no uta. Ade uta ni.
Sayuki ala bia ye.
Dori ogba.
Ah, eni ta se.
Soken do woni do awe. Omo no mezi ma we ya wo say. Ari ogba.
Agwa be ya gbe. Esi ma ro we gbagba be ya gbe.
Ari ogba. Uge pe amu. We bona me kun say. E ke me zo say ma me zo sagbo. Ona na mama na. Awe me mezi ma. E bo ga ya gi mezi ma. Ala ni.